great opportunity to get deeper insights in risk assessment, to work on an interdisciplinary topic in a foreign country, and to gain new knowledge and get to know experts from all over the world.
I can really apply everything that I learned now that I'm back in my home institute.
All of the people who have been involved very much enjoyed learning to appreciate that structures or structural organization in different countries may be quite different.
In this kind of programs, you will think that the fellows will be the ones to learn, but I think that also the host institution will have a very nice experience learning a lot of things.
I'm really happy with my EU-FORA year.
It was a very fantastic experience.
So I can just highly recommend embarking on this experience either as a hosting site, a supervisor, and of course as a